Hey everyone, I'm Helen with Brantford Hyundai. Our vehicles offer a wide range of features and tools to help make your life much easier. One of those features, which is exclusive to Hyundai, is BlueLink, a connected vehicle system designed to keep you and your vehicle in touch even when you're not. With BlueLink, you have remote access to safety, convenience, diagnostics, and more. Let's take a look at some of its features.
BlueLink services are free for 5 years on compatible vehicles. To use it, you will need to register your vehicle at mybluelink.ca. You can also manage your BlueLink subscription and set your preferences here. In the car, you can simply push the voice command button on your steering wheel and say your point of interest or category. With local search powered by Google, BlueLink will quickly return results with addresses, hours of operation, and phone numbers. The rear-view mirror also has buttons to immediately connect you to roadside assistance or emergency. Your vehicle will automatically call for emergency services in the event of a collision, even providing responders with your location. Through the BlueLink app on your mobile device, you'll have access to even more features. Can't remember if you locked your door? Has your car been parked in the sun all day? You can use the remote services to see if your doors are locked, remotely start your vehicle, and make sure that it's nice and cool when you get inside. Remembering where you parked is also a problem of the past with the Find My Car feature. BlueLink also lets you monitor the health of your vehicle with the Vehicle Health Status feature. Track your maintenance and driving statistics, set reminders, and access on-demand diagnostics from your vehicle's infotainment screen and make sure everything is okay. You can find all the nearby Hyundai dealerships and their hours of operation using BlueLink and set your preferred dealership with Dealer Locator.
With BlueLink, you have a world of connections right in your pocket. I'm Helen, thanks for watching.